Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bailey. And today I'm back again with yet another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be another cook with me. Yay! So excited, aren't you? I used to do cook with me's, not all the time, but I used to do cook with me's kind of a lot, I guess, like a year ago or so. And so many of you guys have been requesting that I do another one. So today I'm back and I'm going to be cooking an omelet. Put those back. So yeah, today I'm gonna be making an omelet and my camera's a bit crooked, but it's because I'm using like a Gorilla Pod, so it's kind of like, it's all bent, okay? Yeah, I don't really know how to make an omelet. I've made an omelet once before and honestly it was pretty good, but I still don't really know how to make one. But you know, I don't even like eggs, so I don't know why I'm making an omelet. Like, why am I doing this? I don't know, I thought an omelet would be kind of fun because it's a little bit like fancy and a little bit more challenging, I guess. I made a poll on my community page for you guys to answer, and it was between making a grilled cheese and an omelet, and most of you guys said an omelet, so that's what I'm doing. I'm a very picky, not really picky, I'm kind of picky when it comes to vegetables, like on stuff. So today I'm literally going to be putting cheese, tomatoes, and bacon on my omelet with like the egg. So I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. Let's just see, okay? So the first step that I need to do is make the bacon, because I think the bacon takes the longest. So I have 2 pans over there and I'm gonna make the bacon in one and then I'm gonna get the egg started in another. I don't really know how many eggs to use, probably like 3. This is just like regular bacon. I don't really know how to make it though. Actually, I'm gonna close this a little bit. So this is the pan that I'm gonna be cooking the bacon in. And it has this thing on top so the grease doesn't splatter everywhere. So I don't know how many pieces of, oh my God. I do not know how many pieces of bacon to make. I think I'll only need like 2 for the omelet, but I'm gonna make 4 so I can eat some. Or maybe 5, I'll just make 5. How do you open this? Bacon is so gross, but it's so good. Oh God. So open that up, you see all that fat right away. Oh my God, ew. Oh, I feel like I should open this better. Ew, oh my God, what's going on? Ew, bro, who invented bacon? Look at this, that's so gross. I'm such a good mom, I can tell. Not that I'm pregnant or anything right now, I'm no Danielle Cohn, but it's whatever. Okay, so this is the bacon cooking. As you can see, the heat is right there. I don't know really how to make bacon, so I'm just gonna put that on there. And then there's this pan, which is where I'm gonna make the eggs. Ooh, the bacon is sizzling. Guys, listen to how loud this is. I need to make the eggs. I think I'll do 3 eggs. So I just grabbed some butter and I'm going to put the butter, that is so loud. I'm gonna put the butter in the egg pan so that the eggs can come out when they're done. Oh wait, this isn't even how you make an omelet. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna, I can't just crack the eggs in there. I have to put the eggs in a dish and stir them with like seasoning first before putting them in the pan. But the heat is on and the butter is melted and it's gonna get hard. Oh my God, my eggs are gonna fall on the ground. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bowl. All right, let's crack some eggs. Oh my God, I just squirted egg all over my hand. That's not how you do it, Chief. Why am I so bad? I make eggs all the time. There we go. Okay, there's like egg juice all over the counter. Okay, so I have the eggs in here and I'm just gonna stir them so it's not like separated, and then I'm gonna add some seasoning. Why is it bubbling so hard? Okay, it's all like together now and I'm going to add some seasoning. So let's get some seasoning. The oil, the grease burnt me. I just grabbed a bunch of random seasoning. Okay, you guys, so I don't really know how to make, like what kind of seasoning you need. And when I made my omelet last time, I just threw a bunch of random stuff in it to give it more flavor because I hate like regular eggs. So I got some Italian seasoning, which I think is for pasta. I got garlic powder, which I don't know why you would want your egg garlicky, but we're still gonna do it. Got some onion powder because some thyme, which looks like a drug. And then I have salt and pepper. So let's just start making some stuff. Oh, that was a lot of onion powder. It's fine, it's fine. This is my concoction. Okay, let's go, moment of truth. Okay, I think 3 eggs was a good idea, except like it does not look good. Guys, I just realized that I forgot about the bacon and the tomatoes in the omelet. Like you're supposed to bake it into the omelet. Okay, I'm gonna take this off the heat. I got these tomatoes. Why am I so dumb? I got a serrated knife because I think that'll work better. But guys, this is going so badly. I'm so upset with myself. I really thought this was gonna be a good cook with me. I thought I was gonna do so good. I thought the omelet was gonna taste so good. I was looking forward to it. But you know what? I have failed once again, and I have proven myself right. I'm bad. Oh my god, it's literally, no, this is so bad. Literally just gonna like rip it up and put it in here. Is this how you make bacon bits? Maybe if I put this cap on, or the lid, it'll like heat the top of it more, and then it'll like melt into there. We're just gonna put it on the lowest heat so it has time. Guys, I'm feeling so bad. I'm doing so bad. I'm so upset. And like, I don't even like tomatoes. Also got about my freaking coffee. I wasn't even drinking it. It doesn't even freaking drink. So how's your guys' days going? Mine's going pretty good. It was going really good up until I decided to make a freaking omelet for no reason at all. Oh my god, it's not working. Oh my gosh. Guys, I flipped it thinking it would like melt the other side of the egg, and then it cracked. The entire thing cracked. I'm not doing okay. I need cheese. Cheese makes everything better. I'll just hide all my flaws with cheese. Okay, I just cracked the omelet in half. I'm just gonna put a lot of cheese on it, and then we'll try it. Sorry, I live in Wisconsin. I eat cheese out of the bag. Hey you guys, so I put the cheese on, and then I kind of like flipped it so it like was in half, like how an omelet is. And I think it actually looks bomb. Like it looks good. I'm not even lying. Like look at this. It looks kind of good, not even gonna lie. So maybe this will be good. It's a little bit messy, but we're gonna clean that up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you that I'm good. I'm so proud of myself. Like I'm gonna take a picture of it to show my dad how good I did. Ooh. Okay, I just wanna say if anybody had doubts in me throughout this entire process, you're a fake fan. JK, I had doubts in myself too, but guys, ready for this? Look, this omelet's not even bad. Oh, who is she? She's kind of cute. Isn't she kind of cute? Look at that texturing. Okay, like I don't know what's inside of it. Like I really don't know what happened with that. I mean, I do know what happened because I forgot to put everything in it until last minute. But like she's cute. That was like the longest thumbnail ever. Okay, so guys, this is she. This is her. She is cute. She is so fun. So this is the gourmet omelet that I made. As you can see, it has all this texturing from all of the seasoning that's inside of it, as well as like some burnt pieces. Okay, I keep showing you the omelet just because I'm so proud of myself. And why is it stuck? It's not stuck to the plate. Ooh. Oh my god, do you hear that? I hope the egg is actually cooked. Okay, so this is the first bite I'm gonna take. Oh, it fell apart. It's fine, like food can be messy. Well, actually kind of good. Like for my second omelet ever, I'm not even mad. Like this could have been so much worse. I definitely think I added too much time because I can taste it a lot, but it does give it a nice flavor. So I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR for you guys. Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ASMR video for you guys because I made an omelet and it's kind of tasty. I don't know if I'm too close I have to hold this, so. Why am I doing ASMR right now? What the heck, guys? That was like a whole 2-minute process, and I don't even, like, I don't want to do ASMR. Ooh, did I give you the tingles? Okay, you guys, so that's actually it for this video. I know you wish it could go on because this was just such a high quality video. It wasn't. I need to redeem myself because even though this turned out good, I need to like actually learn how to cook. So leave me some suggestions in the comment section of what I should cook next. Literally anything. I'll take into consideration anything. Follow my Instagram at bailey.diedrich. Follow me on dough at bailey.diedrich. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.